Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are okay. Let's go today. Watch our third day Antalya tour videos. I hope you're gonna enjoy the videos. Duden Waterfall is full of natural beauty. So wherever you see, you're gonna see the all natural things like water, ancient cave, and so many things. So let's go.
সুন্দর হাইটা যাও ওই যে ওটার উপরেও যাও এই যে
This is the waterfall. You can watch it from there. This is mini water.
এখান দিয়ে যাচ্ছে পানিটা এটা একদম টপ এভাবে দেখা যায় কিছু
Picture. Nothing here. ঠিক অলিভ অয়েল ওয়ার্কশপ এখান থেকে অলিভ অয়েল বাইর করতে হয় ওয়ার্কশপটা ছিল এটা আসলে I believe that you are liking this video, so I just request you to, if you not yet subscribe my channel, please do subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos and watch these videos till the end. Dark inside. She is saying she wants to stay here for all the day. This cave looks spooky. So this is the actually entrance of the waterfall. So till now you have watched the sky view actually. So this is the way we are going to watch the waterfall from the nearest view.
যাও যাও, মানুষের সাথেই যাও, এটাই সুন্দর দেখতে। ওরা যায় দেখবা পরে।
Just look at the views. This is really amazing.
Two picture. How much?
600.
দুইটা 600. No less, no discount.
800.
500. Two.
1000.
Thank you. Come.
You can inspire me to upload more videos by subscribing my channel. So you can see the cave from the outside. It look like real vampire lives inside. Just look the scenario.
Falej Alami. Take this. Badu. See, that's why they choose these types of location to make vampire movies and the vampire film. I like vampire. They get extra, energy, extra healing and life. Oh my goodness. You can simply, yeah, of course. Oh wow, come this side. See? এই জায়গাটা সত্যি সত্যি ভুতুড়ে। Just look at this water, very dangerous. This is the way in the cave. So what you do need to do. You just need to be very careful when you walk through this. Like, mind your head, and I need to bend down and then go. Right.